Alright, today guys, we're going to go down here to the storage shed and see if I can't get my Cub Cadet garden tractor running. It's my lawnmower. Battery was dead in it. Checked it the other day. But I got another battery to put in it, and it's been on charge overnight. And we'll get in here and see if we can't get this thing fired up. Hope there's no critters living in here. Oh. Alright, there she is. I'm gonna get her pushed back out here and into the daylight and see if we can't get the battery on it. It's a Cub 1200. So I'm gonna set you guys down and move this ladder off of this thing, and we'll bring you back. Alright guys, here's the battery in the Cub Cadet. It's under the seat. I'm doing this with a handheld and see if I can get these off here without dropping a nut. I want a washer. Oh, there went the bolt. That'll be alright. It's under the tractor. We'll get her back. I bought this tractor for like 150 bucks, and it ran and mowed. It just had a bad battery in it. I brought the battery home. I brought it home, put it on charge, and the thing held a charge all last summer. But I got this battery here I'm going to throw in it. Alright guys, I'm going to shut you down. I got to get the straps and stuff out of the way. Alright guys, got the battery all put in. Let's see if this thing will fire up. A little cold-blooded. Yeah, I gotta adjust the clutch on this thing. Alright guys, we got it up here to the shop. I'm going to turn you off and set you up on a tripod here, and we're going to pull the motor deck off, do an oil change, adjust the clutch, do all that kind of stuff. So we'll bring you back after we get everything off. Alright guys, got the motor deck off. Pretty simple. It's got a couple pins there. The lift carriage kind of hooks into these things up front. Yes, I know I didn't clean it before last fall, but it got really cold, really wet, really snowy, real quick. So, but we're gonna get it cleaned up. We're gonna get probably get a new deck belt and a new drive belt. Get underneath there and see if I can adjust that clutch up any. Flip it over, clean the underside, sharpen the blades and everything on this, and then we'll get the oil change and everything done on this. So we'll bring you back after we get some stuff cleaned up. Alright guys, got the top of the deck all blew off. Surprisingly, this bottom of the side wasn't that bad. I got a little bend over here on this side here I need to take care of. And the cool thing is, this has a wooden roller on it. I never noticed that, but I knew the old Cub Cadets did, but I figured it had been gone, and somebody would have replaced it by now. But yeah, I got the blades all zipped off. Used my Chicago Electric 1/2-inch impact, zipped them right off. I'm going to scrape this up, get it cleaned up some. Probably going to try to straighten that deck out there some, and we'll bring you back when we get that all done. I'm not going to show you guys sharpening the blades. Y'all probably know how to do that. If not, you can take them somewhere, or you know a buddy or something that can do them. So plus it takes 2 hands to do it. So we'll bring you back when we get that all done. Alright guys, I'll show you here. These blades aren't actually all that bad. I sharpened them at the beginning of last summer. I mowed at least twice a week for like 3 or 4 months, and they're not that bad, you know. So just a little touch up, and you know, I think they'll be pretty dang good. So, you know, we'll clean them all up there real good, and let you see what they look like after I get them done. Alright guys, got my blade all reconditioned there. Got a nice edge on it. Clean the back edge up there a little bit. That one. There's a big one for the middle. You know. Yeah. Clean them all up nice. There's the third one. This one's got 2 little dinky blades on it, and then one big one in the middle. That one on the outside edge is about 12 inches long there. That's the 2 small ones. So I think the other one's like a 24 or something like that. Yeah, about 24 inch. So that's kind of unusual, but it's kind of neat too. So we're going to get these zipped back on and get that deck flipped back over and throw some grease in her, and we'll bring you all back and get that all done. Alright guys, it's been a day or two here. I got a new Zerk fitting to put in this center pulley here. I'm going to set you all up over here. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. And of course you can't, so I'm going to just kind of show you what I got going on here. I got this Zerk fitting to go in here. And I always take a little deep well socket that fits right on top of it, tap her a few times with a hammer, and drive it in. We'll bring you back after we get it drove in. Alright guys, got that all drove in. Next I'm going to grab the grease gun, grease this deck all up real good, and then I'll grease the front end of the tractor. There's only a few grease spots on there, but I think you all might know how to run a grease gun and grease fitting, so I ain't gonna show you that. I did get a new belt, and we're gonna put the deck back under this thing and hook that belt up, and then we'll take her for a test spin. Alright guys, we got the mower deck all cleaned up, blades all sharpened and everything. Got the Zerk fitting replaced. So we're going to move on to the oil change on this thing. Probably going to do a spark plug too, fuel filter, and then adjust the clutch on it. So we're going to start by pulling these side panels off. There's that one. It's a little dirty. Grab my air hose here. We're going to blow her off. See how bad this air filter is. Of course I don't have the right size, so we'll do that after a bit. But yeah, we're gonna get down here and get this air cleaner, or get this oil plug pulled out and grab a oil pan first, drain pan first, and then we'll drain the oil out of her. We'll bring you back when we get that going. Alright guys, I hope you guys can see. Oh, drain plug's right there. Right there. Got me a little piece of tin to put on here to make sure it all goes down into the oil pan. And yes, I already broke it loose. So okay, use the right size wrench, dummy. Oh yeah, that's well used oil. It's got a summer's worth of mowing on it, so I probably should have brought a rag out with me, but it'll be alright. Alright, we're going to let that drain. We're going to go up and pull the air filter. Alright guys, got the deck on, got the new belt on, got it all greased up. We're going to take her out and give her a little test mow now, and we'll bring you back and let you know how she does. Thanks. Alright guys, that'll do it for the servicing of my 1200 Cub Cadet. Got the oil changed, spark plug changed, all greased up, cleaned the deck, sharpened the blades, you know, the whole 9 yards. Checked all the tire pressures and stuff. I am going to have to get another deck belt. The one I got was just from a parts store. I was questioning whether it was going to work or not. I haven't had real good luck, you know, changing stuff out like that. So I'm going to try to see if I can get an OEM or whatever they recommend, and then go from there. It will mow a little bit, but if you hit a bump or the raise and lower the deck too fast, it kicks it off. So, and I've got the tension adjusted on it just right. I tried to add more tension to it, less tension, same thing. So we're just gonna have to get the OEM belt and give that a whirl. So thank you all for watching. New to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, click all, get all the notifications for all the videos. Share this video out if you will, please. And if you want to help support the channel, check out my Amazon link for my wish list there. And thank you all for stopping by, and we'll catch you on the next one.